Here we will take a black paper and fold it into half as shown. Then we will fold it once more in the shape of a triangle to make a perfect square. Then we will take a scissors and cut it from both the ends so that it would look like a triangle. We have cut it from both of the ends and we will just now open it. It is a perfect square, as you can see. Now we will fold it from both the sides, which will again form like a triangle. From both the sides we will fold it like this. Then after that we will fold that lower triangle which it's showing in the video. We will fold it on the upper side, and then again we will fold it from below, which will look like a small rectangle, as you can see now. We have made this. We will make many others like that. Exactly, we are making 10, and then we will stick with the glue these portion by sticking it inwards. We will stick it with the glue here. All these parts we will stick it. We will stick all the parts like this, and see, we have stick it all the parts. We will join the end parts as well. So we will connect it from the every end and secure it, and here you can see our crown is made. You can wear this crown. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe. If you like this video, like the button and subscribe our channel.